Leif, what do we got here?
All right, today Spigen released 5 different cases that were inspired by the original iMac G3 from 1998.
Nice.
And they also released one that looks like the first iPhone from 2007, which we now call the iPhone 2G today. And I've actually had these for about a week. We did a little write-up here on Macworld, and this is for an Indiegogo campaign that they're doing. It's basically a way that people can buy these cases and get them out. And within 30 minutes, they reached their goal of like $5,000. As I'm looking at it, they got a month left. They're at 15,746, so they're doing fine. So I just figured I would show you some of these cases right now. So here you go, and to give you an idea, I use a Spigen case on my own phone. This is an 8 Plus, and very tough, very sturdy. It's a brand that I trust and love and stuff, but I actually do. I drop my phone a lot, and it keeps myself safe.
Nice.
But here's these. Okay, so we'll do a little unboxing here. So this is the famous color of the iMac, the G3. This is the Bondi Blue. This was the original color that came out in 98. Technically, the colors that followed came out in 99. But so we have the Bondi Blue here. We have Ruby. We have Snow with a Bondi Blue bottom side here. Graphite and Sage, which is green. And but they also tell me that 2 other colors will be coming, and they don't say what those are. But I have imagined they're probably going. I imagine they're probably going to be orange and purple. Well, those are really popular colors as well.
Nice.
So, but yeah. So doing that, you know, see at our site, you got, and then you have the Indiegogo campaign right here, and my mouse has appeared to have disappeared, but you can see it on the thing. So yeah, let's open it up right there. Very beautiful. And you can see the detail. It's really amazing. So you get the limited edition right there. And so if you flip over, you know, you can see the hello again that you would see when you would boot up the old iMac.
Nice.
And so this was what worried me at first, because it's done in 3 parts. And so, whoa, look at that. It just like easily crumbles apart. But nah, it's actually not that bad. So this is iPhone 10 here. And you put it in here. And let's make sure I don't screw this up. And boom.
That's not nice.
No, it's not. Yes. Sorry, Siri. And, but yeah, now that it's in there, and, you know, I was worried it was all going to fall apart like that, but no, it actually does very well. It's, you know, as you can see, this thing's not going anywhere
kind of
now.
sits snug, huh?
It sits very snugly. So, but yeah, that's it. And give you an idea. So this is, I think I figured out how to turn this, you know, take this off when I was taking photos of this earlier. And if you have any doubts about it being flimsy, now you can see, because I'm really struggling with it. And this is actually Melissa's phone, and she's probably looking at me like, ah. So, but for the purpose of the video, we will say it sits in there very nicely. Yeah, this isn't going anywhere.
Nice.
So, and, but this one, you see that this one is made of all this clear stuff. And while that's cool, it really captures the old iMac feel. This one, you know, is a lot sturdier plastic. It's a lot sturdier. I couldn't make this thing come apart. And I imagine if I could, if I did that, but I'm not going to do that. We're not doing a iPhone Bengate commercial. I mean, a presentation. So, but yeah, so you, yeah, so it gives you an idea. It's very nice, and you know, you can walk around looking like you have the original iPhone instead of one that has Face ID
it's
and
vintage.
everything. But as I said in today's article, this is a cool way of showing that you admire and support the Apple of the past while at the same time embracing its future with the newer technology. And I personally, believe it or not, do not have an iPhone 10. I'm the only person in staff that doesn't, because the iPhone 8 Plus needs some love. So I'm the kind of guy that does that.
Oh,
but
so this is only for the 10?
it is only for the 10.
Oh, okay.
And but if I had a 10, I would totally get one. And it looks like next year I'm not really going to have a choice, because that's, according to the rumors, that's what all the phones are going to be like. But once again, these are all amazing. And
which one's your favorite color?
Oh, definitely the Bondi Blue.
Yeah.
And that's, you know, Gordon here was just saying that's the classic color.
Classic.
And I'm pretty sure that's what everybody's going to want. And if I were to say which one's going to be like the last one left in stock, it would probably be the Snow here. And but you know, it's got the Bondi Blue tip, but it's kind of and but you know, as far as actual toughness, definitely this one. This one, by the way, is called the Classic One, and these, you know, to differentiate them, are called the C1. And it's a little slight difference. You remember I was telling you that you had the hello again in there. This one actually just says that it's the 10th anniversary of Spigen, and it says Spigen commemorates its 10th anniversary by introducing its limited edition case inspired by the original iPhone. And it also says in very fine print that this product is neither endorsed nor sponsored nor affiliated with Apple Incorporated. So in case you were thinking that Apple actually had a hand in this, no, I did not. So it's very interesting that they actually use the original colors in the packaging, saying things like Bondi Blue and stuff. But so yeah, this is what these, if you wanted to get a better idea of what these look like in person, we made this little video for you. And honestly, the way this Indiegogo campaign is going, if you want to get one of these, I would get it now. So it's ridiculously popular.
How much are they each?
They start off at different prices. I believe
okay.
individually, right now, they're starting at $18.
Oh, that's not bad.
Well, it's not bad right now, but eventually, within the next couple of days, it's like the early bird pricing. It's going to go up to $25. And they actually didn't say this to me when I was working with the PR guy, but on here, they have a retail of $85.
Ooh.
Yeah, so that gives you an idea. And I have to wonder if it's ever actually going to reach that. But there's also a package where you can get all 5 of these at once. And then, this one, because it's a different design, is kind of separate. And there's also a bundle, I believe, where you can buy it with a wireless charger. Spigen makes their own wireless charger. So,
awesome.
Pretty much however you want to do it, it's a lot of good deals. And, that's the idea behind it. You can switch all these out if you want. And it's pretty cool.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Leif.
Thank you.
Cool. Sweet. I will